So in this Neo Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to earn $10 by referring friends on the Neo Financial application. So once Neo Financial is opened up, I want you to go to the Accounts tab right here, go to the top right and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to scroll down a little bit to where it says Refer and Earn. Then once you're on this page where it says earn $10 when a friend opens up a Neo checking account and deposits $50, if you were to press this and learn about it, you get $50, or sorry, you get $10, they get $10 if you both sign up. So you just go ahead and you share the link right here. You and your friend will each receive a cashback bonus when they get an eligible Neo product. And you can go ahead and repeat this as many times as possible with as many friends as possible. So there are terms and conditions right here. But if this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press on the black share button right there, share it with friends, and then you can get $10 that way if it is a successful referral. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to earn $10 by referring friends on Neo Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.